What's good, homies? I hope you're doing well. Before I start, I just want to let you know I've been designing some educational slide decks and posting them on my Instagram. So if you want to follow Yanni Tsunami, feel free to. They are basically the Spark Notes version of a lot of influential and impactful texts I've had the privilege to have access to while studying at UC Berkeley. If you want more text to read up on during this time, I'm gonna drop in the description box below some of my favorite recommendations, ranging from bell hooks all the way to Toni Morrison. So I hope you all continue to keep this movement alive and strive for justice. Also, if you haven't checked out last week's video, I centered the discussion on Black Lives Matter, my approach to understanding different frameworks we can use towards allyship, and also giving some of my commentary on bridging Christianity and faith in relationship to social justice. So I'm also gonna drop that link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. All right, homies, if you didn't know, I'm actually moving out of Berkeley this week. I've been living in Berkeley for 5 years. I've moved around 3 times, maybe 4 actually, including the dorms. And I love it. I love living here a lot, but my next move is to San Francisco, and I spoke this into existence. Check the reference clip real quick. I'm currently on the apartment hunt right now, looking for a 1-bedroom in someone's house because actual apartment is hella expensive out here. Probably more than my paycheck. So this is gonna be a 2-part video. I want to share what my space looks like. It's not really representative of how I've utilized the space because a lot of things are packed, but it'll just give you a little bit of insight of how much space I have, how I've kind of arranged things when they were up. I'll share my price range with you all as well. And I'm gonna end the video sharing some of my favorite places, favorite go-to spots to grub in the Berkeley area. I'll also drop some of my recommendations below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, so here we go.
I like it loud, I'm smoking loud. Come take a puff, don't say a word. If I let you, come to my bed. Boy, fuck that couch, ain't let you in to kick you out. You know what's up, don't kiss and tell. Let's fall in love, we might as well. I love the way you hold me, you kiss me, you console me. I remember what you told me. I love the way you control me. You used to be the homie, now you want me. Ooh, you own me.
Do you love me or you love me not? Hey, I'm not a player, I just crush a lot. Yeah, you hold the nigga and you hold your own. I was crushing back when we was watching Home Alone. Now you blushing, saying hit me when you home alone. Some Chardonnay and Marvin Gaye, you know what's going on. Straight facts, I got your hoodie saying GC now. Flower child, got me smelling like some tea tree now. Scratch away my doubts when you rub a nigga scalp. Working on your figure, girl, you got it figured out. Talking about your dreams, always there to hit me out. Was on the highway to hell, you switch seats and send me out. You know the type of love that you can never repay. I'm trying to see your face like every day. Now I'm just playing, girl, you know my style. I say anything to make you smile.
I love the way you hold me, you kiss me, you console me. I remember what you told me. I love the way you control me.
All right, homies, the feelings are bittersweet, but at the end of the day, I'm very, very thankful for the opportunity to go to school out here and live out here as well. So in part 2 of the video, I will shave my beard because new transitions need some new transitions. I will be giving you an apartment tour. I should be settled in by then, hopefully. And I'll probably share a little bit about my decision to move out of Berkeley into North Beach, and that's pretty much it. So as always, please smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe, and I'll catch you next Saturday at 12 p.m. Peace.